1. In my picture, the chair is purple, but in my picture, the chair is red. 2. In my picture, it's 7:15, but in my picture, it's 5:30. 3. In my picture, the cap is orange, but in my picture, the cap is green. 4. In my picture, the robot is standing, but in my picture, the robot is sitting. 5. In my picture, the bin is on the right, but in my picture, the bin is on the left. 6. In my picture, there is a castle outside the window, but in my picture, there is a city, a bridge outside the window. 7. In my picture, the tortoise is on the mat, but in my picture, the tortoise is under the desk. 8. In my picture, there is a website on the computer screen, but in my picture, there is a picture of a family. 9. In my picture, there is a picture of a desert on the wall, but in my picture, there is a picture of a snow mountain on the wall. 10. In my picture, there are 3 comics, but in my picture, there are 4 comics. 11. In my picture, the blue car is on the railway, but in my picture, the yellow car is on the railway. 12. In my picture, there are lots of stars on the blanket, but in my picture, there are lots of moons on the blanket.